So first, let's talk about what's inside the queues folder template. Here I have three gates, gate 1, 2, and 3. And actually, it doesn't need to be a numerical list like that. The gate names are just used to reference the correct queues that the player is in. As you can see, there's a part named block, and that block is used for actually blocking someone who's already entered the queues, so they can't touch the teleporter part again. You could just make a checker in the touch script to prevent double touching after the player is inside the gate. But it's much less efficient than just doing what I do right now. For the rest, it's pretty self-explanatory. Except for the UI part. The UI part holds a billboard guy which is used to display two text labels, QCD and player mount. Now for the cam bool value, this is really cool. If you check it, it locks the player's POV when they join the queue to the cam position. Otherwise, the player can just move their camera freely like usual. Pretty amazing, right? Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the queues template. Now let's see what's actually happening inside the brain. The local script. In the local script, honestly, nothing really special is happening. It's just referencing the player's cam, UI, and character, then sending it to the server whenever the player hits the exit button. It also handles player data. Whenever the touch script fire clients the local script, it starts doing some checking and sets the cam according to the data sent by the touch server through the parameter. For your information, I use 2 bindable events and 2 remote events in this system. As for the touch script, there's just a lot of references and data checking, ensuring the player is really in the gate so it will send the correct data to the central script, which will be used as a parameter for the module function. Yeah, so for the module script, you guys can just read it on your own, as it would be too long if I explained everything in here too detailed. But overall, this queue system is very easy to scale and set up. You just need to copy and paste and change the values in the settings according to your needs. Also, I'm going to make this system open source by tomorrow,